Hello Aquarius, welcome to my channel as Ishal Speaks Messages Gypsy Witch Tarot. Alright, so how have you been? Sending you love all the way from India. Hopefully that you all are doing well. Let's start with your reading. Now this is going to be, though timeless, Twin Flame Soulmates Connections, but for first half of August 2020. Two messages in a row, very fast coming, okay? And just give me a second. First message that is coming is someone will try to actually, or someone is going to try to break you. Now the exact second thing that I saw was coconut. Okay, now this could be someone who will try to open you up, kind of like about their emotions that they are going to tell you, and then they want that reciprocation. For some things or cases, you might be very strict right now because of the situations, current situations you went through. Why you are behaving the way you are behaving is your timeline. Someone will try to break you can also go for someone who tried to break you. Get into the soft corner of your life, heart, feelings, and it is something that you possibly confided in or someone else did it. But someone will try to break you, can say that they tried to break you, kind of, to hurt you or something, and now you are stronger than ever. These things can go in fluctuations because there are so many ways to give you these messages. Who is going through what depends upon their timeline. Okay, again, remember, this can go vice versa as well. Now, let's start. I saw the coconut opening. It was very fresh. Inside there was white stuff that you eat, the creme. So possible someone is trying to break you to eat that cream. So this could be someone who wants to take advantage of you, or is trying, or someone who wants to show you that how soft you can be, and let's eat that cream together. Means let's share that bonding. So there could be someone who is interested in breaking it to make it. How they'll do it, I don't know. Well, I'm going to start with this deck as well. The second thing I saw is right at the edge of some high position, like kind of like the mountain edge or something. Right at the edge, on the edge, at the edge, howsoever it goes, there's this bicycle standing, and in the basket that's in the front, I saw the flowers, kind of like a bouquet is there. So for some cases, this could be something coming around the corner, or something that you are overthinking about, the feelings, the confession. But there is this bicycle coming, so this could be something connected with full feelings. Someone is thinking about how to make this confession, and then feeling like zero the full energy for this beginning, or just a new startup with someone new. Totally new could be. Yeah, okay. You got two cards here. Wow. You are getting this bottom energy as vulnerability. Now here, only the brave and open-hearted dare to allow themselves to be vulnerable. This does go with something connected with confiding and all. Something that is possible, this like your coconut heart, and someone will end up breaking it and will seep inside your heart. So this may go in a positive way as well. For it requires courage to take down all walls and expose your humanness. Very interesting, I say. Okay, your angel guidance is to become aware of your defense mechanisms, which keep you separate from others and the divine. Ask your angels to help you dissolve your masks and barriers so that your fragile true self can emerge like a butterfly from its cocoon. Oh, so opening up, and the coconut is out there. The reward is freedom, love, and sense of inner safety. So dare to be vulnerable and open. I'm not talking about that you should if you're not ready. No. These are for the souls who are awakened, They do have that mechanism. They know how to secure themselves, save themselves. They have that much confidence that they can carry themselves well. Kind of like even when they are wearing that short dress, and you can carry yourself well. I mean, this is something that you're wearing slippers and you're wearing shorts, or you're wearing some dress and you're wearing slippers that you wear at home, and you have that confidence to carry it on even on the red carpet. Do you get it? That kind of energy. I do feel that you have that. Now, because you're getting two cards here, communication, and the second card is adventure. So with this bicycle and everything, it's coming like something new, startup, a project, new collaboration, new love proposal, new friendship, new life, kind of. Something is changing. It's like whatever was compact here, it's going to break. So something new. That is a good thing actually. So first card is communication. So you might end up having some communication. The angels remind you that being spiritual is about being genuine and honest. When you speak from the heart, others feel the resonance of truth and trust you. Talk positively, focus on the good in life, and you will feel happier and healthier. Communication is a two-way process. I do feel that someone will try to talk. You can also do that. Roles can be reversed. Listen with interest and respond openly. This will improve all relationships. Communicate constantly with Source using prayer, which is asking, and meditation, which is listening. Always keep channels of communication open. Be a bridge to others' hearts and mind. Ask your angel to step into your aura and communicate in a higher way through you. Wow. So communication. And then second is adventure. So this could be a new thing starting in your life, which is about dare to begin. Life is an adventure. Be ready for the unexpected and make the most of all opportunities. The angel wisdom suggests you get out of any habits or ruts in which you are stuck. Do things that are different and face life with a sense of wonder. So that coconut could be something that you were in a kind of like a shell for a very long time, if you were, or you're changing your perspective. And someone will break it, or you're going to allow it to break because you are now allowing it to seep into. If the path ahead seems dark, do as you would if you were exploring a dark place. Ask your angels to light up the way, then watch for the signs and signals that tell you where and how to go. Explore the new with excitement and courage. These magnetic qualities attract money and career openings and add zest to relationships. So this is going for kind of like for all of you in a whole new way. Something is opening up. The angels are inspiring you to move forward with anticipation, expectancy, and hope. Good. So open the August month with something new here. Why you want to be there with yourself alone if you are. Don't be alone. Okay? I always say solitude is good. Now you got actually, while I was into meditation, you got two cards from these Under the Roses, and I haven't seen them. The one I saw because it flipped right in front of me is from Rider-Waite, and you got Knight of Cups energy. Okay? Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces could be, not necessary. Now this could be not exactly the bicycle, but someone is coming around the corner here, or will end up saying hello. You might meet them anywhere, depends, but this is someone right behind you, kind of energy, like, but this is someone who is walking in your life. This is about your new journey of emotions, or at least you're going to open up a little bit towards life. This is also some sort of releasing energy, kind of like you're forgiving someone, or you're just forgiving as in casual way, the energy around, or energies around. But I also see someone is approaching you with a cup here. Okay, now this is a Knight of Cups energy. Someone who is expressing, or will end up expressing you love. It's kind of like, not always like we can talk about love and the startup of something brewing, but I also see kind of energy wherein someone who admires you. Okay, that kind of energy is also here, which is interesting. Now two cards that flipped. First card first. Wow, interesting. To be honest, I haven't seen them. So with you, this is the dog. The companion is coming around. Friendly hand is coming around. Someone who will start off with friendship with you, or they are actually in friendship with you. They just want to take it further because they care for you. I don't see here ill feelings, but it is something very deep. Okay, so you might be actually aware about them. If this is new, someone is coming around the corner. So this is someone who is faithful, companion, a friend. Loyalty is coming here. I was about to say royalty. Okay, someone might be connected with you as in a royal kind of way, wherein they feel like this is our connection and no one else can enter. But the dog, 10 of cups. So with full thing, someone is holding feelings for you. You're strong. Water sign is here. Second card, I don't know which one is this. Watching with you, seeing with you. The tree is coming. So tree does come with life, health, mind, body, reflection, and the tree is a tree. So this is just a reflection of you, or someone who is looking you as a reflection of their life, kind of like you are the perfect, or you are the one, or I adore you and I care for you, I admire you. I always want to say that this is not always that, I love you passionately. Sometimes it is love of adoration as well. Someone who admires you from far, someone who just want you near, come here. Kind of like I was watching one of the K-dramas, and they, in that, he used to do like kind of it was a very beautiful scene wherein he was so lovely. That gesture where you really want to do things for the person, where when they love you, it is something that you always wanted. Okay, who doesn't want love? But with this, I feel like you're going to be at peace with this particular gesture, love, scenario, friendship, love, a companion who is coming around. And for some cases, it's something connected with some situation which is standing in kind of like alone or as an individual. The pet is coming with the truth. The pet is coming with the truth. Okay, specific dog. Yes, of course. The dog is coming with the truth. Was a loyal companion. They're going to pull out the truth, I do feel. So it was also coming like someone will break you. So break the situation and the truth will come out. Okay, whatever was so hard, was difficult, will no longer be in a tough situation. So let's see now. Also, you're getting this bottom energy as the Fool energy, which is going so much in coordination with that bicycle, sorry, and the flowers were there. So it is giving me the energy of zero, the Fool energy though. Oh wow. And you are getting this double declaration of the dog behind. Faithful energy here, someone who will be your companion. I feel like most of you will come out of any sort of mental stress. Okay, if it was there, because I do get this energy. Last readings, so many last readings I did, in that I talked about that energy is everywhere. So some things were not coordinating well, and I do feel in this August month, some of you will start feeling that in the last days of July itself, the change will be there. Look, I was talking about the stress and mental stress. I feel like you'll just say adios to all this. Look, it's all a mind game. If we train that, it's going to be good. So I'm going to shuffle and cut the deck, okay? And I'll do it like where you're coming from, what's your now, and what's your future, and then beyond. Remember, your karma plays a big role here. I'll put them again inside, but there is some forward momentum, the Chariot or a Cancerian and Ace of Cups. Maybe someone will propose you, or will end up saying the things that you haven't heard in a long time here, because you were not expecting, or you left the expectations, or you never wanted it, but it is coming around. But this is something that someone is saying that kind of like, I've moved on, and I'm very what's that word, I'm very sincere about you. Take a deep breath. You know, we all need this. I mean, that's like just is it a hack, or this does happen with us all the time? It's like sigh. This is very important for the body. So if you're feeling stressed, okay, just do this. Relax and then just do this. It's very good for body, I'm telling you, especially with this kind of energies. Okay, let me cut the deck. And as I saw the devil, I won't be taking this side. No. Okay, because you want to break free from. Okay, so here you go with the 9 of Wands energy, which is a sign of like you breaking the records that you laid, actually. So it is about I'm doubtful and I will be. So there is some next circle that's opening, but with this 9 of Wands energy, it's like you're still doubtful about something. I'm picking the words reassurance. Maybe you want reassurance. Okay, now where you're coming from? You're coming from Page of Swords energy. I think like you are done with something here, and I feel like you even don't want to see to something when you are doing it. Kind of like when you are deleting something, you are done with it. So I do feel that you're coming from a place where you are done with some things. I mean, like people will end up saying that, what done? Yes, of course. Page of Swords, taking a stand. I'm done with you. I'm done with this talk. No more. Okay, basically it is about emotional clarity that is coming. I do feel this is your energy, wherein you almost closed some sort of chapter, or I mean, I'm getting this message of like, I don't want to take this into account anymore. The file is closed, we can say that. Or you have doubts because that's why the file is closed. What's in your now? That kind of like a Page of Swords is also the message that is coming around, or the messages those were coming around, and you are, I picked up first word is frustrated with that. I mean, you don't want to entertain something anymore. That's where you're coming from. Stopped replying. Don't want it. Why you don't want it? Because some things were not good. Okay, Two of Swords energy is in your present call. Some decision that was affecting you in the midst of being in the Page of Swords. Should I, shouldn't I? Definitely you have stopped communicating with someone or stopped messaging. You were confused, or you'll stay confused for a little while, but you will be done with what you thought prior. Getting my point? Second ghost becomes your past. This is about something that you thought, you were not doing it. So you might be in this position of like, should I, shouldn't I, should I, shouldn't I? And then you will be doing it. Okay, it's also about you are clearing things to the particular energy or person, in that case if they are approaching you again. That's why you're all guarded up here. What's in your future call, a future life? I heard the words I cannot return. So 8 of Cups energy is something that you are walking out, away. You don't want to be in this dual state of something. 2 of Swords is a confusion, but then you are finalizing something. Then you are finalizing something here, and definitely some of you with a heavy heart, but you have to do it for your sake, because that's becoming difficult. Or that maybe this message does go that someone tried to or will try to break you. So this situation can say that they took advantage of you. Kind of like you opened your heart for someone. Okay, so this is what beyond. I mean, you'll reach to the point where you'll think that I did the right thing by closing the chapter or by concluding something. 8 of Cups is good, because I do feel for some cases you will be in the position where someone will try again to open up towards you, or will try to break you up, so that emotionally you may become fluctuated again, wherein the decision will be on or in front of you. Okay, with the 2 of Wands energy, you're looking forward, and with that decision you will do it no matter how heavy it is, because you have this experience and then you have further energy. Yes, the Hanged Man, you will take just a pause, but you are more enlightened than before, and you no longer will entertain this hung situation. You don't want to linger on. I do feel that you have made up your mind. So when this situation will, even if it will return, you'll be in the position to make the better decision. Okay, so this could be in the midst of two, this could be walking away, this could be not returning, even if they do the U-turn and all that. Okay, which is good. Let's how to say, wind up this reading. Wind up this reading. Okay. Romance angels. Worth waiting for. The situation possible unfolding again, the clarity that you might be getting, it was worth waiting for, so that you know what you need to close, what you need to open up about. I mean, Two of Swords decision is or will be clear. So worth waiting for, divine timing is at work in your love life. So I do feel there will be this decision, because we took out cards prior, which was about Knight of Cups and then communication or new adventure. So you need to close something to decide on the other thing. Okay, something that was not good, something that was not that dedicated. Recording time to 121. Worth waiting for. Okay, attraction. Here you attract romantic love by enjoying the moment fully. So it's kind of like the energy of like to live in the moment, do what you want to do, and that's okay. So what's in your future card? Ooh, what's in your future call or future vibe? No matter how hard you try to push things away, or you will try, the attraction is coming here. So first it was like this because it was at the bottom. This is like this. So it's something that you are going to try to not be attractive possible. But no matter what you do, you are attracting them. Means your energy is true, or the other person's. So if you are attracted to someone, you just like them. It doesn't matter. I talked about that, whether you're wearing slippers, you're walking on the red carpet. It doesn't matter. It matters how you carry yourself. So someone loves the way you carry yourself. Recording time 2222 means 2222. So attraction is here. So even if you're not doing this, you're definitely attracting someone. Okay, so I'll cut the deck. Interesting. What's your future call? Make the effort. So this can go vice versa. If you want this mutual, you have to make the effort. Also, someone will make the effort. Great love is worth taking the steps you are guided to take. Soulmate is coming around the corner for many of you, or there's a connection that you need to make the effort. Open your heart. Yes, this is your soulmate. Do I need to say anything? Take care. I love you. Bye.